Welcome to Super Flashlight Science Project. Today I'll be doing the 3 states of matter. Okay, here are the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The solid that you can see is ice. You can tell because they're as hard as rock. The liquid is water, all that wavy looking colorless water. And the gas, well, it's invisible, but you can tell, well, all you can see and tell is that it's foggy in the container because this is steam. Now these are the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas are the 3 states of matter, like water, that goes through all 3 states of matter. First, the water is liquid, right here. The water starts out as liquid, and then in freezing cold weather, it turns into solid ice. See? The ice is solid, and it's hard. So that's liquid and solid. And then the solid, like these ice, will change back into water, into a liquid. See? This is what would happen to the ice when I leave them out in a very hot weather. Okay? And then, when it gets really hot, the water will change into a liquid and into steam or water vapor known as gas. So as you can see, it's foggy in here as I trap the steam with the container so it doesn't escape. So these are the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids are really hard, like this ice. It's as hard as this counter. So this solid has its own shape. It's all frozen water, and you can see that there's white in there as like a lot of water or maybe something else. But as you can see, it's clear. And since my hand is warm, now the solid known as an ice is changing into a liquid. See, it's all over my hands. All over my hands. So that is a solid. Liquid and gas do not have their own shape. Like this water, for example. This water is a liquid because it's taking up the shape of this container. The same goes for this gas, known as steam or water vapor. It's taking up the shape of the container too. So those are the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And there's also a 4th state of matter: plasma, but my camera isn't made to view the sun or these light bulbs, so I'm just doing the 3 states of matter. So I'll show you other 3 states. So I'll show you everything that's also a solid, liquid, and gas. As you can see here in my sink, the plate is a solid and the water is a liquid. This water liquid is also taking up the shape of my sink. The straws are solid, so is that wash rag. The sink is a solid made of stainless steel metal. So is the faucet. And that turn-on faucet, which I do not know what it's called. And that sprayer, the soap pump, the soap container, the scrubber, even the soap bottles, and the lemonade can, and the detergent soap and the foam soap are liquids. So they're also taking up the shape of the containers too. Even that detergent and the scrubber's taking up the shape of the container too. The same goes for all that water, as I already showed you. Even the water in my cups is taking up, sorry. Even the water in my cups is also taking up the shape of my cups too. And there's also ice in my cups if I could zoom in on that. See that ice? Even the Chips Ahoy cookies are solids. So, that's the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, that's the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And so, that's the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Like and subscribe to this channel.